everyone, welcome to my channel. If you want to remove your profile picture from Gmail and go back to the default icon, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly remove your profile picture from your Gmail account and do it without any complications. Follow the simple steps and find out how to do it in just a few minutes. So, first find and open your Gmail app. Once you're in it, tap the three lines in the upper left corner of the screen or swipe from left to right to open the menu. In the menu that appears, scroll down and select the Settings option. When you're in the settings, if you have multiple accounts, select the one from which you want to remove the profile picture. Now tap on Manage your Google account. Once you do that, the page for managing your Google account will open. Now, in the top menu, you will see the Personal Info option. Tap it. When you do that, a page with your personal details will open. In the Basic Info section, you will see the Profile Picture option. Tap it, and it will open the page for setting your profile picture. Right below the image on the right side, you'll see the Remove button. Tap it. Then tap the Remove button again to confirm. After doing that, your profile picture will be removed, and the default icon representing your Google account will be restored. You have successfully removed the profile picture from your Gmail account. And that's all for this video, friends. If it was helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. See you very soon, and thank you so much for watching.